Okay, so we're in the Three Lanterns district. It's part of Macau, and it's kind of cool. There's some pretty cool stuff up here, and we're just going to show you. This is the Three Lanterns district, this little circle right here. So we're going to explore that today and kind of show you what's around here. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So we're coming up on the Three Lanterns district. Sometimes they'll have different events inside here. And let me see, this says Rotunda. And sometimes you'll have like a little screen right there, but that's not there now. And you got a whole set of all buildings, so they all kind of go concave like that as well. That one, and that one. And then, so we're gonna go straight down this way, and there's a market right here. So this is called Three Lanterns District. And yeah, sometimes they have certain events, and that'll be like a Times Square. Pretty cool apartments that overlook that, right? I don't know if you can see all those kind of bubble alcove. So we're gonna walk into this, let's see. So this right here is a market. So you got a big market right in here. So let's just take a look at this market. I think I saw that guy. That guy that came in. The guy that jumped in the camera, he jumped in front of my camera about a year ago when I was in this area. I guess he's, I don't know if he intentionally jumped in there, but I feel like he might have. So anyways, yeah, this is a marketplace. And it kind of goes down a little bit, and you can buy stuff very cheaply, especially fruits and vegetables, as you can see. You can see the prices. 10 is like about $1. Okay, and then but you can buy all kinds of stuff. And flowers. And these little alleys too, right? Okay, so we're gonna keep on exploring here. And lots of clothing that's pretty low price too. Like it's like 20 mop, $2-3 sometimes. Okay. So I think what we'll do is we'll just go down a little bit further, and then we're gonna move into a different location altogether. But at least you're kind of giving an idea of how the Three Lanterns. This haircut's only 50 mop. 50 mop is like let's see what these are. Dragon fruit. Okay, let's keep on walking. So I think what we're gonna do, we could just keep on exploring down that way, but I think I just want to go and do something different. I've been down that street so many times, so I kind of know what to expect. So I'm a little bit interested to see what other stuff is up here. And let's just go look at this. We'll end it at this Michello cake shop. This sign looks pretty cool. There it is. It's a cake shop. Outside. They got all this stuff too. Yeah, this one, I think it's a pretty well-known one. It's right there. Okay, so we're just gonna fade out from here, and then we're gonna end it. It's like we're gonna end it right there. Just kind of looking at those apartments like that. Okay, cool. There we go. Chiquinha, chiquinha.